Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how forums work. So first of all we need to look at the website, and as you can see, that's the forums page. The forums page has got various topics. That's Deckies, which is a special forum for people looking for boats or for crew to crew their boats. And then we've got things like basic sailing and seamanship, which is a free forum for all. And that's got various videos and articles in it, and you can access those videos either by playing them or by accessing the entire article with the video embedded. And then you can either like it, recommend it, comment on it, share it. You can search for content using the search bar, and then you can watch the video as you would any other of the videos, but then underneath there is a comment box, which means that when you comment, that comment will be shown to anybody following that forum. And it may just be that you have a question which somebody else in the forum can answer for you, or several people can, or several people give you different answers for, of course, or I will answer. So there are options there to ask questions. You can, as long as you follow the post that you're commenting on. So when you comment, you automatically follow the post, and then you'll be sent, either through the app on your phone or through email, you'll be sent a comment when a comment is made by somebody else. You can unfollow at any time so that you're not getting comments on posts that you're no longer interested in. Deckies here is specifically for people with boats looking for crew, or crew looking for boats. And to get into Deckies, you need to either be a member or alternatively, if you've already submitted your information, so some personal information on a form, you can just log in. You'll automatically be labeled as somebody who's done that, and then you just log in as a member, and you can get into Deckies, and you can look at people posts basically by people who own boats looking for crew, or people that are looking for boats. This is the membership form that you fill in. You go to that by going to Deckie registration in the menu. Once you fill that in and hit enter, you'll be sent to the Deckies forum, and from then on, whenever you return, as long as your cookies are enabled, it will recognize who you are, and you'll be able to log in and look at the various posts on the Deckies forum. So I hope that's useful, and if you have any problems, do just drop me a message using the chat box. Thanks very much.